So let's create an out-of-box effect image manipulation here in Photoshop. So I have here two different elements. So the layer 1 will be the hand holding a phone, and the layer 2 will be the man riding in his dirt bike. So first thing that we need to do, so using the magic wand tool, I will click the screen of the phone. And after that, I will detach it by pressing Ctrl plus J. Okay? So once done, go in the layer 2 because we need to resize it to check if it is proportion to the screen. So I will decrease the value of fill, or let's say opacity. Again, it's up to you. So I will resize it based on the proportionality. Just like this. Okay, so once done, I will revert the fill value into normal. Okay, so next thing that we'll do is just hold Alt, and if you see this icon, so it means that it will, the in-between of layer 3 and layer 2, just click, okay, and click the layer 2, Control plus J to duplicate its layer. Now, go here and find the object selection tool, okay, and highlight. After that, go into select and inverse. Okay, now the layer to copy, we need to set it into rasterized layer and delete. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn 3D modeling, 3D animation, or even software programming, so I have a YouTube channel which is Prof. Pinoy Pixel. You can subscribe and then you can watch different lessons here. And thank you for support, and I really appreciate that.